What's going on, guys? So today it's a rainy day here and I have a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta. So what we're doing on this car today is it had an exhaust leak right at the right behind the catalytic converter going on to the rest of the muffler. So I'm going to show you how to repair this today. There's a real simple repair. If you bring it to a muffler shop, they might try to show you something different, but if you just want it to be quiet and back to how it was, there's an easier way to do it. So I'll go under there and show you what was wrong first. Although I already fixed it, I'll explain it. Alright, so right there is where the clamp goes. So there's a hose clamp from the factory, or an exhaust clamp, and it has these brackets that hold it tight. So it connects the catalytic converter right there to the rest of the pipe going back. Now those brackets will rust off, and when they rust off, they'll break and it'll cause an exhaust leak at this point. So what you can do is you can buy a whole new one of these clamps in the tube and everything, or you can do what I did and you just get the clamps to reseal the edges of this tubing, because the metal tubing right here is very solid, and it looks like although the clamps rusted away, it's perfectly fine. So you can go to your local hardware store, get these clamps. They were only about $5 each, so $10 for the fix. I went to a muffler shop to see how much they would charge me, and they were trying to charge me about $150 to replace the clamp and the labor. I can tell you it's very simple. If you can do like any simple things on a car, you can get this done no problem. I found the 2 inch and 1/8 clamps were the best size to seal it. Although I was trying to do a 2 inch, it was a little bit too tight. So you're simply just gonna break those off if they're completely rusted like mine were, or you can just screw them off if they're just somewhat still leaking, and then put on these new hose clamps, and then you're all done. So I'll show you which brand. I got a Nixon hose clamps, 2 inch and 1/8, and those sealed it up completely. If you guys found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get you in the next video.